Hey guys, iDonaldLouch here, and today I'm going to bring you an unboxing of the Sony Cyber-shot DSC-TX30. Bought this on Black Friday. I bought it online just because the person ahead of me bought the last one, and I just received it today, and today actually happens to be my 19th birthday. So this camera features an 18.2 megapixels, 5x zoom, and up to 10x clear image zoom, a 3.3 inch extra fine OLED screen, which is touchscreen, which is really cool. Full HD movies, up to 1080p. So looking around the box, there's a picture of the front of the camera, picture of the back of the camera, just some of the key features. It's a Sony, it's a Cyber-shot, and there's the model number. And here is some optional accessories I could buy with it, which I didn't buy any additional ones. And then just some other key features. I don't know if you can see that. Basically comes with an AC adapter, rechargeable battery, micro USB cable, and a wrist strap. And then I just got the black model. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. This box is actually a lot smaller than I thought it was. So upon opening, we have our warranty information. Notes on the waterproofing. And a coupon on accessories. And then the user manual. And then there's a little flap here. And on this side you have the wrist strap, the USB cable, the lithium-ion N battery, the wall wart, which is the North American version, and it is one that you can just plug the USB into, which is very handy. And now for the start of the show, the actual camera. This is gorgeous. So right here you have your zoom functionality, your shutter button, I think, off and on button, movie mode, and then you just have kind of some of the specs. Your full screen touchscreen on the back, and then this thing just slides down, and there's the camera, plus there's a LED flash ring, and the flash, and then I believe that's a focus thing, and I believe the microphones are up there. Don't know if you can see that. And then on the bottom you have your tripod piece, and then to open you just press that button, battery goes there. It's where you plug in your mini USB. It's where you put in your micro SD card, and then there's also a mini HDMI, which is pretty cool. So let's put this battery in and start it up. Okay, and if you also go down, that also turns on the camera. let's go through the setup process. So we want English. Los Angeles, even though I'm in Victoria. Yeah, sure, why not? And it is December 3rd, 2013. And the time is 3:45. Probably 46 now. And yep, looks right. I'll go with that color. High resolution. Okay. And it's just a little information about the underwater use. A lot of warnings. Okay, and here we go. Woo. Cool. Nice. So there's everything that you get in the box. And yeah. So like this video if you want me to do a review on this, as well as more unboxings. And yeah, have a great day.